Alright, so once again, hello guys, and welcome to this course where we talk about Shopify and e-commerce. So in today's class, very easy, we're talking about how to choose a good Shopify theme. The theme, very simple. What's this? It's how your Shopify will be. Well, how your website structure will be. So when you open up your Shopify account, you should be on a page that looks like this. So the home page. After that, what you're gonna do, you click on Online Store. Then you'll be redirected on the theme page. So the basic theme is this one. It's the debut theme, the one that we created on the last class. So it should look something like this. That's the first one. But if you want to keep it, if you like it, well, you can use it. But for the purpose of this class, I'm going to show you all the themes that exist. So you have two of them. You have the free ones and you have the paid ones. Well, here you have the paid ones and the free ones. Here you have only the free ones. So if you're interested by the free ones, here are all the themes that you have. What's cool with Shopify also, you can click on one of them and you can choose between three different styles of the same theme. So let's, for example, say, well, one that I like a lot, first of all, it's this one. So let's say, for example, that we add it to our library. So we just click on add it. So our theme is loading just there. So as I said, what's cool is that we enter our collections and our products just once. Then we can have as many themes as we want, and we can try to put like our we just put our collections in our themes, and it's not gonna take as much time as recreating a new website completely and entering the products one by one. So let's say, for example, we enter in our new theme. So this one is called supply. So as you can see, the menu stays the same: home, watches, bags. If we click on watches, we have our product. If we click on bags, we have our product too. So as I said, what's cool is that not the menus, but the collections that we put it on our menus don't really change. The only thing that change is how the website will look. Well, the website, your store will look. You will have to change those pictures. Well, for example, here you have a slideshow. You will have to change the picture of the slideshow. So let's, for example, put a picture here. Also, what's cool with Shopify, well, for the slideshows, is that you have free images. So let's say we put a random free image. So the images here, you will have to change them, but the products themselves, they don't change. Like the featured collections, they stay the same. All the products, you don't have to add them one by one once again. You add them just once, right here on your product. So as we saw on the last class, on the collection and the products. So as I'm explaining, to choose the right theme, first of all, you just go on, well, you have also the paid themes. Let's see what it looks like. The only difference between the free and the paid themes is that, well, the free and the paid, only free and all the themes is that here you have the paid themes also. So for example, you have this one it's 160, this one is 180. They're not necessarily better, they are just different. It's other people that create those themes, and yeah, sometimes they cost money. If there is one theme that you like and that is not a free theme, I suggest you to buy it, because your store is a long-term investment. So you better start up with something that you like than just start up with something free. So back here, so as I said, for the themes, it's here. So if you like the first one, you can keep it. It's a really nice theme. If not, well, I suggest you all the free themes. If you don't like them, I suggest you to go on the full Shopify theme store. You can choose your theme just there. Yeah, it's maybe gonna cost you money, but it's not a big deal. because as I said before, Shopify, it's not a short-term investment, it's more of a long-term investment. So good luck guys, and see you in the next class.